Toy Hunt Dudes here. In this video, we'll be opening up this blister pack I found at Walmart. This is the one I missed out. I kept holding it off, and then eventually they all ran out. But now, I went to a different Walmart, and I found it. So check this blister out. Give your collection a boost. Get in on the latest Pokemon TCG action with one cool Pokemon coin. Add to your collection 2 awesome TCG booster packs and 3 holographic promo cards featuring Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres, or Venusaur, Charizard, Blastoise. That would have been a good set to find, but this is all that we could find. Legendary birds ain't too bad, so let's just open this up. I think I've seen that Zapdos promo in a mystery power box before. These blisters are difficult to open, but we gotta take our time. We don't want to damage these awesome legendary cards inside. I don't know. The humanity. Zapdos. No. Why? Why do they have to be so difficult in there? Why? And we got a coin, which is just a Pikachu. Check that Pikachu out. Pikachu. So, I'm not going to mess around with these cards. I'm going to sleeve them up after I show them real quick. They got the Galaxy holographic background. Seems like this one already took damage. Oh no, that's like Northern Skies. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that indeed. Next we got the Moltres. Same thing, Galaxy hollow background. These are pretty awesome cards. And of course we got Zapdos. That one has a scratch over it. A massive scratch on it. And the 2 booster packs that come with it. Plasma Freeze and Plasma Storm. Awesome classic packs. I love getting the opportunity to open these up. They're actually not even that old, 2012, but they are hard to come by. So there's the code card. Good luck to whoever pulled that. And we start off with a Rotom. That's on Team Plasma, I believe. A Garvantula. A Doofant. Donphan. I think a Swinub. Scraggy. Fungus. Whismur. Coughing. Reverse Clink. Clink Clang. Which is a rare. And then the rare is a Dodrio, a regular rare. Not bad. The pack that's gonna be the awesome one is this Plasma Freeze. Check it out right here at Toy Hunt Dudes. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know what you get in the comment section below. And also, congratulations to whoever pulled it. There's, that's an awesome way to start there. Jolteon, Nidorina, and Onyx. Wow, I like that artwork. Check that out. The Plasma Freeze is the awesome one. Onyx. I can't say that. A Hoot Hoot. A Starly. Ponard. A Dratini. A reverse Noctowl, and our last rare of this opening is a regular rare Vanillix. Okay. I thought I picked a lucky pack, a lucky blister out of those, so we didn't really get nothing from the packs. But the blister pack did guarantee 3 awesome birds. So check that out one more time. Thanks for watching. Toy Hunt Dudes here. Please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and have yourself a wonderful day or night whenever you decide to watch this. Peace!